Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to the XCMG color crane intelligent manufacturing base. My name is Jack and I will be your guide. The XCMG color crane intelligent manufacturing covers an area of 570 acres, and the production capacity is 3,000 units per year. Now we are in the welding line. The line has one information management system, and the welding process data can be collected and the equipment operating system can be seen from the screen. The line has two sets of RGB intelligent transportation system, 7 welding working stations for internal and external welds, one set of information management system, 18 welding robots, and so on. This is welding line. The line is mainly responsible for the mechanical processing of 100 to 615 tons of color cranes. It undertakes parts milling, boring, drilling, taping, and other processing procedures. It has a total 7 CNC machining equipment, including boring center and special machines for color track. This machine is used for milling and boring for turntable, and that machine is used for milling and boring for car body. These machines can improve the efficiency by 36%. This is automatic tandem robot and AGV transfer system. The production line efficiency is improved by 20%, and the personnel are reduced by more than 13%, ensuring the efficiency, production, stable quality of each product. Now we are in the assembly line. The line mainly undertakes the assembly process of turntable of color cranes and telescopic cranes, ranging from 100 tons to 315 tons. The production lines can quickly switch products according to different products to meet the personnel's needs. Dear guests, our tour today is coming to an end. We hope that XCMG color crane has left good impressions on you, and we hope your next visit. Thank you. Goodbye.